Good morning, everybody, and this is your S&P 500 setups for today. So very much a range day yesterday, and just going to put this zone in for us. If you just swing left, you'll see this is a weekly high here. You'll see double top weekly high there, and we did find support there a week later. So that is a fairly strong zone, and you will have to put the upper end of this in, and if you look left you can see there is some resistance here. So range day, as we sort of expected yesterday, it wasn't really anything indicating it was going to fall further or go up for that matter. So for all intents and purposes the trend is still down. I am still looking at the levels that we have in place from yesterday pretty much, and the longer we find support here at 50-50, the higher the probability is that we are going to reverse. But you know, we're quite far from the moving averages here on the 3 hour, so it could take some time. Obviously lots of earnings, lots of noise in the Middle East, and then also concerns around what the Feds are doing. But when price is doing this, this is not something that we want to be trading. So we need to break above the range, find support before we look for any sort of longs, and the same goes to the downside. We need to drop below 50-50, turn around, test it, and on the rejection take the short. For now, tails to the upside, tails to the downside, lots of confusion, above and below the moving averages, complete confusion. And this morning we have a bit of a crossover of the moving averages, but we also are grouping to the upside here. So this is sit tight until we break above 50.81, come back and test it. Then you will have a target at 5100, 5109 to be exact. And I would take profit there, because then I'd wait for the next retest, the next pullback. The trend is down and we are going into a range. I want to do this on the hour. So very strong downward trend, but then we are now 29 bars into this. So anything longer than 20 bars, then it starts becoming a coin toss for a break. So that's kind of the way you need to treat this. It is a range, sit tight. Don't try and get involved in this until the range breaks, one way or another. Break the upside is 50.81, break the downside is, there's two levels here. So 50.52 is obviously the key level, but just below that is this 50.44. So I'd want to see us drop below 50.44, come back, test it, and then look for the opportunity to the downside. But for now, this is a clear sit on your hands. Don't try and get involved. Don't try and lose money, because it's the only thing that's going to happen is you're going to lose money. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.